Okay, so in question 5, we're asked to find dy dx at the point 3, 1. So here we've got a product you can see. Okay, so we're going to use the product rule here. Now, I know we've got minus of this product, okay, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply the product rule to 4x squared y. I'm going to ignore the minus for a minute, right? I'm just going to leave it there in the equation and just apply the product rule to this because it'll be obviously a lot easier to do that. So we've got u is 4x squared, v is y, u dash then, u dx is 8x, v dash then, y becomes 1 times dy dx. The product rule then will be v du dx, so y times 8x plus then u times dv dx. So we have that there. So when we differentiate this then with respect to x, okay, well, x cubed becomes 3x squared. Okay, you bring the 3 down, reduce the power. Then you differentiate this, which we've done over here, but remember then the minus applies to it. So the minus has to apply to every term there. So essentially they both become minus. So minus 8xy minus 4x squared dy dx. On the right hand side then, well, the 2y cubed becomes 6y squared dy dx. And then minus 3x becomes minus 3. Okay, so what we can do then is we'll group the dy dx's. So I think it'll be easier in this case to take the dy dx's onto the right hand side. So I get this. It's just easier because they'll both be positive then, won't they? It should be x squared there, shouldn't it? Getting confused? So then I have 3x squared, take away 8xy plus 3, and then factorize the dy dx, okay? So I get 6y squared plus 4x squared, okay? So then finally then I can write my dy dx to equal to 3x squared minus 8xy plus 3. All over 6y squared plus 4x squared. So then at the point 3, 1, okay, I can work out what dy dx is. So 3 times 3 squared, putting x to be 3, 8 times 3 and y is 1, plus 3, all over 6 times 1 squared plus 4 times 3 squared. So let's do this without a calculator again. So we've got 3 times 3 squared is 27, 8 times 3 times 1 is 24, and then 3 there. And then on the bottom we've got 6 times 1 squared is 6, 3 squared is 9, times 4 is 36. So on top then I get 27, take away 24 is 3, plus 3 is 6. And on the bottom, 6 plus 36 is 42. So there's my answer there, 6 over 42, which simplifies to be 1/7. Okay?